I funnel hacked your favourite scammer, Iman, and in this video I'm going to be revealing his funnel, which allows him to make around 15 to 20 million every single year, and he does this with mostly organic content. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so this guy makes 15 mil a year. This guy here makes 15 mil a year. He sells how to do cold outreach, but he does not do it himself. He has a huge personal brand to get clients. Okay, he uses this as leverage. He uses his brand as leverage, and he has two I think he has two or three. I think it's three main businesses. It's Educate, it's Agency Flow, and it's Digital Launchpad, which just came out. And I want to expose what he really does. Okay, he doesn't do cold outreach to get clients. He doesn't do any of that, even though he sells how to get SMMA clients with cold outreach. He doesn't do that, and I'm not hating on this guy. He's so young and he's made millions. I respect it so much, but I'm gonna be exposing what he really does to get these clients. Okay, and this is what he really does. Okay, so what he does is he posts short form content. He has loads. He kind of does the Andrew Tate method, where he has loads of people. And this is just because they're fans of him. I don't even think he hires people to do this. He just has loads of fans. He realizes that people love him so much that they're just going to make accounts of him and post reels on it. Because also you can make money by posting videos. So people realize this as well and just start posting short form videos and everything like that. And some of these accounts are his, like this E-Man one, and obviously this Iman one his, but he posts short form content to get attention, and that's what I've been telling everyone to do. Okay, post short form content just to get attention. He realizes that short form content doesn't convert anyone. It's just good to get attention. It's good to get attention onto his offer and to make people realize who he is. Okay, and what he does is he funnels all this attention to his YouTube. Okay, and he has 4.5 million subscribers on YouTube, and he posts content on here. Okay, so, and he also has a scripted one. He has an unscripted YouTube channel, and I want to talk more about that because this one's very important. But this one's mostly, as you can see here, is surprising my mum with a 4 million dream house, but mostly he doesn't post that on there. He posts educational content going through what he does, how he made his millions, and he always positions his unique mechanism, his unique process in center of attention. So he always speaks about SMMA. He always speaks about what he sells. He doesn't make it obvious, but he's speaking about what he sells. He's speaking about why you should start an SMMA. It made him a millionaire. Why you should start drop servicing. It made him a millionaire, etc. So he always speaks about it and always positions it in center of attention within his content. He gives away basic value because his target audience is the younger generation, and he's trying to make them realize, okay, I can make money online. But he does give basic, you got to admit, he gives basic information away. It's not like top tier, it's mostly mindset and everything like that, but he realizes these younger children, these younger people think that they need all this to make money. Okay, he realizes that they think they need to meditate, they think they need to go to the gym. I do all this myself anyway, but he knows that younger people think they need to do all these little things to make money online, and he just goes over that, and that gets attention onto him and his business as well. And this builds up trust because he's in front of their faces for a longer period of time. He's speaking to them. He does really long form videos, and they're quality. They're like Netflix style. But he also sees a shift happening in YouTube, which I've said multiple times, and that's why he has his unscripted. These videos aren't high quality. Well, they're still high quality, but they're raw and authentic. And also on his recent video on Iman, he posted a raw and authentic video, just talking to his camera, because he realizes this is happening, the shift's happening, where people are sick and tired of over-edited content. Okay, but anyway, he funnels everyone to his YouTube channel, and I want to talk further about this because what he does in the unscripted version is shows off the lifestyle to the younger generation. He does what everyone dreams of doing, buying his mum whatever he wants and whenever he wants. Okay, he shows huge houses, he shows nice cars, he shows everything a young man could ever want or a young girl could ever want. And his target audience, as I said, is the younger generation, and he realizes showing all these things, these materialistic things, makes these younger generations more motivated to invest in what he sells. Okay, so this builds up trust. All this YouTube does is build up trust and gives him the leverage he needs on the younger generation to actually sell them on something. Okay, so what he does for Educate, we're going to go over both of his funnels. Okay, what he does for Educate, where however you say it, is funnel people to this specific YouTube video here, which is a video sales letter. And this video sales letter is an hour long, and it's the blueprint to make 10k a month as a beginner. You see what I'm saying? He's targeting beginners. He's targeting the younger generation who wants to start making money online, and everyone's obsessed with making 10k a month. So he's very clever, guys. He's very clever. He knows what to do. He knows when to do it and knows exactly how to leverage his audience. Okay, so the blueprint to make 10k a month, and as you can see at the end of this video, what he says is check out the link in the description, or check out, if you want to learn how to make 10k a month the right way, check out Educate. And as you can see in the description, there's a link, and the people from the short form go to the long form, go to this video sales letter and invest into what he sells. And as you can see, 82,000 likes and 1 million views. Think how much he sold of that. That's crazy, man. That is crazy. Okay, so he funnels everyone. All his YouTube videos, well, most of his YouTube videos beforehand always funneled to this little video here, and this sells him on the Educate service. But he just came out with another one as well, and it's called Digital Launchpad, and this is a low ticket version. But I think what he does is make them buy this, then probably upsells him to the Educate, or he uses his software to make them buy more from it, to make them pay him more money. So what he does is, for Digital Launchpad, he funnels everyone to just YouTube videos in general, and he funnels people to this video sales letter. So when people, as you can see, it's a different link. This one leads to drop service, this one leads to Digital Launchpad. Okay, so when people click on it, it leads them to this video sales letter. And this is, look at this title right here. Look at what it says. 24-year-old multimillionaire goes rogue and reveals his secret online income system just to prove anyone can make their first 1,000 online with it. That is some good copywriting right there. Okay, that is a good title. Okay, he knows what he's doing. People funnel to there, watch that 14-minute little VSL and get sold because it's only 37 a month. And he's very clever because he realizes these beginners that he's targeting don't have a lot of money at the moment. They can invest 37 a month. And loads of people, he's got such a big audience that, and most of them are beginners and don't have a lot of money, that they're going to pay him that. He's very clever, this guy's very, very clever. And all these VSLs do is convinces you and whoever's watching is you need what he sells to get to your desired outcome. And as I said, he also has a software you have to use and pay a monthly fee when you join either one of these. I think I've heard like when you join Educate, you have to use a software to get leads and everything like that. I think it's leads or whatever it is, and it's his software, so you have to pay. You have to use this software each month, and it's a monthly fee. So he makes money from that as well, from his software. So whenever people join, they pay him, and they have to pay more to access this software. Okay, so they have to use this. So he makes more money on the back end when people join. So what happens is you can't get away from him. He's all over your feed, all over your short form feed, all over your long form feed. You keep seeing him until you pay him. So basically what he does, the funnel is short form content to long form content to a specific YouTube video VSL and to a VSL in general, and that converts you into a paying client because he's built up so much trust. He's living the lifestyle what every teenager wants to live. If he's living that lifestyle, he must know what he's doing, and of course he does, because he does know what he's doing. But this just makes you want to buy from him because he's living it at such a young age, and he's very clever. And at the beginning, of course, I used the word scammer in the title to get your attention, but he is actually very clever and I really like him. Okay, he's not scamming anyone, guys. I use that to get your attention, but it's not for advanced people. Okay, if you're already in the business game and you buy whatever he sells, I don't think you'll learn that much from him. But if you're a beginner and you buy what he sells, of course you're going to learn from him, and that's his target audience. Okay, that's his target audience. So if you are a beginner and buy from him, you are going to learn. But and this is exactly what you should do as an online coach. Okay, guys, you should post short form, you should lead it to long form, and you should lead it to a specific YouTube video, selling them on your service, and always position your unique process in the center of attention. Like he does, he always positions SMMA in center of attention, drop servicing in center of attention. He always talks about what he sells in a discreet way, and he always speaks about his expertise, and that's exactly what you should do, and that's going to lead to a conversion right there. So I funnel hacked your favorite scammer. I funnel hacked your favorite guru. He's a good guy, of course, and he's made a lot of money online, so he obviously knows what he's doing, and he helps a lot of people, so he's not a scammer at all. I just use that to get your attention. But I hope you got some value from this anyway. I really hope you got some value from this, because it's a very good funnel. Okay, post short form, lead it to long form, lead it to a video sales letter, boom, you've got a sale. It's that simple. And you don't need to have millions of followers like Iman Ghazi. Like, even though he does have millions of followers, like, that's amazing, but you don't have to have loads of followers. There's people like Serge Qatari, there's people like Mario Gonzalez. I'll put them up on the screen right now. They have not a lot of subscribers or followers, and they still make loads of money online, and that's because they leverage their content messaging. They speak directly to the people they're trying to attract, and that means you don't have to have a lot of followers. I don't have a lot of followers. I have 1k altogether on all my platforms, and I attract 6k clients to my offer. That's because I'm speaking directly to my target audience, which is online coaches who want to scale with a mini personal brand. Okay, so if you want to implement this funnel and you're thinking, oh, I don't have enough followers to do so, you do. Okay, you can start off with hardly any. Just make sure you're speaking directly to your ideal client, understanding their psychology, understanding that what they want to get to, their desires, their fears, their aspirations, their frustrations, relating to those frustrations, because that's what Iman Ghazi does as well. He relates to the beginners' frustrations, and he uses that as leverage to make them understand that he's been through what they've been through, and he overcame it with this process that he's selling. And that's exactly what you can do to a smaller audience. So I hope you got some value from this. Make sure you implement it. You can check out the free training down below on how to build a 6k a week personal brand, mini personal brand. It's a free training, and also check out the one down below. It's an hour and a half free training. You'll see it says an hour and a half, and that's a very valuable free training. It goes through the exact funnel I use to attract 6k clients to my offer. So I hope you got some value from this. Subscribe, everything like that. And go check out Iman Ghazi. He's a very good guy, especially if you're a beginner. But if you're not a beginner, he doesn't give away loads of value, but he is very good at what he does. So yeah, he probably will never watch this, but oh well, I still rate you. I still look up to you, of course. And yeah, hope you got some value from this, guys. Thanks, guys, for watching. Peace.